today we're going to be making some unbelievably tasty, crispy fried Parmesan potatoes. These things are amazing. The garliciest, herbiest, cheesiest potatoes you can find. And so the first step with this recipe is to prep our potatoes. So simply chop your potatoes in half. If they're large potatoes, maybe chop them in quarters. And now we're ready to blanch our potatoes to get them nice and soft. So take a saucepan, fill it with water, chuck in your potatoes and bring this to the boil. Once it's boiling, turn it down a touch and keep it on a strong simmer. And we want to simmer the potatoes until they start to get nice and soft. We want to take them to the point where they almost start to break down a little bit and fall apart, a bit like if we were making roast potatoes. Keep checking them by poking them with a knife or a fork, and when they're really nice and soft, drain your potatoes and we're ready to fry them off in our garlic, herbs and butter. So start with a frying pan, add a really nice generous splash of olive oil, chuck in your potatoes flat side down to start. Season them with sea salt and black pepper. You hit both sides with the seasoning and fry them off on a medium to high heat until we get a nice bit of colour on the potatoes. We want to give them 5 to 10 minutes to start with, just so they start to get crispy. So very quickly guys, if you can just hit that subscribe button for me and also give the video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. And now we're ready for some unsalted butter. Be really generous with your butter here. As soon as your butter's in the pan and it starts to beautifully sizzle and foam up, we need some garlic. So take a few cloves, remove the skins, leave them whole and chuck them into the foaming butter. Give them another good 5 to 10 minutes in the butter until they start to get really nice and crispy. And now we are ready for some fresh herbs. So take a really sharp knife, take your rosemary, thyme and your sage, and we want to dice it up nice and fine. So take your sage leaves and dice those up. Just pull your thyme leaves away from the stems. And we also want to dice up our rosemary. Once nicely diced up, liberally sprinkle them over your potatoes. Once the herbs are in, give them another 5 minutes or so until they are really nice and crispy and dark golden brown. And now pop your crispy potatoes onto a plate, and we want to finish with a nice grating of Parmesan cheese. For the full recipe, sign up to my newsletter in the link in the description below. You really want to give these a try guys, really simple and absolutely delicious. So give it a try guys, get cooking and enjoy.